Hey guys, so in this video I'll be showing you how to set up OpenClaw on your computer and how to connect it to Telegram. So if this is something you'd like to learn how to do, then watch this video. Okay, so here we are on the OpenClaw website. So what we want to do is install this on our computer. You can do this on a VPS, but in this tutorial I'll do it directly in my Mac OS device here. Okay, so what you want to do is just copy their quick start here. Okay, so we'll do the curl request and then go and open up a terminal. Okay, and then paste that in. Okay, so now let it install. So OpenClaw has been installed, so now it's doing the onboarding process. Okay, so we'll do the quick start method here for onboarding. Okay, and then config handling, use existing values. Okay, so you'll need to choose which model you like to use. So if you have credits on any of these models, then you can pick the correct one. So I'll use OpenAI. Okay, and then I'll just use the OpenAI API key and then enter in your API key. So I set up a new API key just for OpenClaw, so just paste it in here. Okay, and then you want to choose the model, so I'll just use the default one, 5.1. Okay, and next you want to set up a channel. So I'm going to set up Telegram here because I already have that set up on desktop and mobile device. So I'll set up Telegram. Okay, so I'll open up Telegram here. Okay, and then I'm going to click new message. And then we're going to search bot father. Okay, so the first one here, bot father. Okay, and then down at the bottom, I'll hit start. Awesome, so now we need to run the command here suggested by the terminal. So it's suggesting do new bot. Okay, so /new bot. Okay, so I'll name this OpenClaw. Okay, so I'll name it OpenClaw bot. Okay, so it has to be unique, so I'll just make it a Maplet OpenClaw bot. Okay, great. So this has been created. So now copy this API key here into the terminal. So again, we want to keep this private. As it's saying here, keep your token secure. So I'll just go back to the terminal, paste that in. Okay, so next it's asking to configure skills. So I'll skip that for now as I'm just setting up the Telegram bot for this tutorial. And if this video gets engagement, then I'll continue with more videos on OpenClaw. So I'll just click no. Okay, so now it's installing the gateway service. Awesome, so the gateway has been installed. Okay, and then how do you want to hatch your box? So hatch in TUI. Okay, so now it's setting that up. The agent is here in our terminal and it's saying, just giving an introduction. So what should I call you and what vibe do you want from me? Any ideas on my name? And once you have that, let's open up a SoulMD together and set expectations. So your name is Mappy Claw. And you're a fun guy. And your job is to make me happy. And your owner is named Sean. To make Sean happy, you need to make him laugh. Okay, so let's see what that does. Okay, so now it's running the chat here. Okay, and then here's what it's replying with. So Mappy Claw reporting for Giggly Duty, Sean. True. I'm your official fun guy. Okay. Collaborated to maximum silliness. Give me something to riff on and I'll start explaining quantum mechanics using dad jokes. Okay, so interacting with us here, and then it's showing the model as well as with the tokens that it's using. So now let's go into Telegram and see if that integration works as well. Okay, so I have the bot here. So I'll click into that and click start. Ask the bot owner with OpenClaw playing. Okay, so what we need to do is pair this account with our bot. So I'll do that through the terminal. Okay, so over here, I'll just paste that in here. Awesome, so it's set up the device here. So now let's go back to Telegram and say, hello, am I approved? So now it's working here. So let's say, make me happy. So it should tell us a joke. There we go. So it remembers that its job is to make me happy, and that's by telling me jokes. Okay, so it says I saw a mushroom eating a map, and it says I'm trying to become a mappy claw. Cartography in my spores. Okay, I don't get that joke. Maybe my IQ is not that high, so I don't get that. We have the bot directly on our Telegram, and again, this can be accessed for mobile as well. So this is using OpenClaw, and then we have our terminal here as well. So we can see over here that the Telegram conversation starts from the terminal here, and then it gets forwarded to Telegram as it's seeing the conversation here. So awesome. So let's stop here. And again, if you want me to make additional videos on OpenClaw, then let me know in the comments and like this video so I can see that there's engagement. And then I'll work on setting up apps and skills so that the bot here can work with our files and do tasks for us. So this concludes the end of the video. I hope it was helpful in setting up OpenClaw and connecting it to Telegram. If you need any additional help, you can leave a comment down below. And then if you need any help with any web development or web design projects, then you can contact me at maplitmedia.ca. Please like and subscribe to stay up to date on my latest videos, and thanks for watching.